Hello everyone. We are from GH Raisuni Institute of Business Management Jalgaon. Our department is Computer Science and Engineering. We are final year students. Our project on high quality facial recognition system guided by Miss Swati Patil and I am Bhagyashri Ravindra Mahajan.
And I am Pooja Mahesh Kuro. And I am Khushbu Madhusudan Salunke.
And I am Sneha Kishore Kurkure.
So I am going to explain our project. High quality facial recognition system is a web based application. A high quality facial recognition system is a technology capable of identifying or verifying a person from a digital image source. There are multiple methods in which facial recognition systems work, but in general, they work by comparing selected facial features from given image with faces within a database. It is also described a biometric artificial intelligence based application that can uniquely identify a person by analyzing patterns based on the person's facial textures and shape. We are going to use some different features also in our project. Example, eyes or lips. Some people have eyes on round shape or some people have little bit different also the lips and nose. Means distance between nose and lips are difference of every person. So such features we use. Then in our project two phases are there. The first one is implementation of detection and the second one is recognition. So next topic is literature survey. So first paper published on the year 2017 and the title is Age Related Differences in Face Recognition and their specialty is find age of particular person. And the second paper published on the year 2018 and the title is Techniques and Implementation of Face Spoof Recognition and their specialty is protected from face spoof attack. And the third paper published on the year 2018 and the title is Face Detection Techniques a Review and their specialty is find gender of particular person only detection. And the fourth paper published on the year 2019 and the title is a improved face recognition algorithm and its application in attendance management system and their specialty is face detection using by color. So next topic will explain by Pooja. So over to Pooja.
I'm going to explain the architecture of our project. Firstly, the camera captures the image of a person. After that, line edge mapping is divided into the two parts. First one, the face region identification and feature extraction is done. And then facial region is selection is done. After that, it saves the data in database. And then it match with the templates in database. If matching is properly done, then application is displayed. Next is algorithms. There are three algorithms we use in our project. The first one is PCA, the second one is CNN, and the third one is LDA. PCA is nothing but the principal component analysis. It is a statistical approach used for reducing the number of variables in face recognition. In PCA, every image in the training set is represented as a linear combination of weighted eigenvectors called eigenfaces. These eigenvectors are obtained from covariance matrix of training image set. The second one is CNN. CNN is nothing but the convolutional neural network has become the main method adopted in the field of face recognition. To simplify the CNN model, the convolution and sampling layer are combined into the single layer based on the already trained network. It's greatly improved the image recognition sets. And the last one is LDA. LDA is a linear descriptor analysis is a popular feature extraction technique for face recognition and retrieval. The next is over to Khushbu.
Problem definition of our project. In existing system detect the person age, color, gender, etc. But now we modify our technology and overcome to this problem and now detect the person by using the facial extract 120 points. For example, eyelid, forehead, eye, lips, eyebrow, so on, so that we completely identify the person. This is the proposed system of our project. The high quality facial recognition system is a process of identifying or verify the identity of person using their face. The face capture process transforms the analog information means a face into the set of digital information means a data on the process facial features. The facial recognition is the process of identifying or verify the identity of person using their face. It capture, analyze and compare the pattern based on the person facial details. In high quality face recognition system, the face match process verifies if two faces belong to the same person. Next slide, over to the Sneha.
Now we discuss about our project software requirements. We developed our project in Python and HTML language. We are using CMake and Visual Studio software for C++ tools. In our project, we use Windows as an operating system. Now we discuss about our project hardware requirements. We use personal computer and webcam for image capturing. We use maximum 100 MB hard disk. We also use 256 MB RAM up to 1 GB. Our project is also based on web application. For this purpose, we use a wireless adapter. Over to Khushbu.
This is the first page of our project. First of all, click on choose button for image verification. Then next, select the image which we want to verify. Then click on open button. Then next, the image which we have choose it display on screen. Click on face button for image details.
After clicking on face button, image identification process is start. After some time, one file is open with the completion of identification process with their face detail. After closing this file, the output will be displayed on the screen. Over to Pooja.
Next topic is cost estimation. There are 4 persons in our project and the time taken in months is 10 months and the total time allocated per terms of hours is 2 hours and the actual working hours is 300 hours and the cost per hour is 40 and the price of our project is 12,000. Over to Bhagyashree.
So that's all about our project explanation. Now we are going to show you actual execution of our project. So that's all about our project. Thank you very much.